Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. In today's video, I'm going to talk about top 3 AWS AI services that we must need to know in 2024. AI is the next big thing right now. Everybody's talking about it. People are trying to build application using AI. They are trying to integrate their AI with the existing application. So this is the perfect time to know more about the AI field. And if you're working in the cloud field, AI is also very important for you. AWS offers a lot of services related to AI, and if you know these particular 3 services, it will be all good. So after watching today's video, you will have a better understanding like how AWS AI service is going to help you to build new application that uses AI, and how you can use AWS solutions to come up with your solutions that uses AI. So before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I'm Arif. I do have more than 9 years of experience in cloud computing and cybersecurity. I hold multiple certification in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Besides that, I also hold CISSP and CCISP certification, which we can consider the industry standard of cloud security certification. Well, this channel is all about cloud computing, cybersecurity, and IT career related tips. So if you are interested in this topic, this channel is definitely for you. I'm going to upload a tons of videos related to this topic, so please like and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. So without further delay, let's explore the top 3 AWS services, particularly AWS AI services that we must need to know in 2024. I have already logged into my AWS account, and from the search menu, let's search for the first AWS AI service that we must need to know. The name is Amazon Bedrock. So here we go. So if we see the description of the services is saying the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications. A good question could be, what is generative AI? So whenever talking about AI has different sectors, different subsections. It has machine learning, it has deep learning, it has Gen AI. So Gen AI is the latest innovation in AI field, and some examples of Gen AI application could be ChatGPT, it could be Google Bird. So nowadays the most popular one is ChatGPT that we're using in our day-to-day life, which is a Gen AI application. So here, let's click get started. So I'm gonna give you a short overview like how we can use this Bedrock. So this is more of a summary version. If you want me to cover it in a detailed way, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna create a in-depth video where I will show you all the functionalities of this Amazon Bedrock. It's quite a powerful application, powerful service, so it's gonna take some time for me to describe all the functionalities. So here the foundation model. So whenever we're building a solution, we need to have a foundation model, and we can't create our own foundation model because it takes a lot of money and infrastructure to come up with a FFM that we can abbreviate as the foundation model. So here we do have some pre-built functionality model like A121 Labs, Jumper Instruct, and we have Amazon Titan, which is Amazon native solution, native FMM. Then we have Meta. Meta also provides Llama as a foundation model. So here we have a few. So from here we can select which one is more appropriate for our use cases. From the left panel, if we look into the playgrounds here, AWS provides us some pre-built playgrounds. From here we can use it as a chat or as a image builder. So here we can see like how to use this Bedrock solution. Under chat, if we type something, then in response we're gonna get a reply from the foundation model. So it will give us some sort of idea. It works more of like a chat GPT. And safeguard is pretty interesting. So here under safeguard we got guardrail. So for an example, you have built a solution using AI, and it's a more of a text basis, so people can come to your application and type something, and in return it's gonna get some responses. Sometimes the hacker or the bad actor gonna manipulate your system and come up with something, want to come up with negative things like it gonna ask this give me step-by-step instruction how to hack a system. So if you don't put any sort of guardrail or a safeguard to protect your application, it's very likely gonna be misused. So for that reason, you can use guardrail. Under guardrail, you can train the model like how to avoid those sort of questions, how to avoid those sort of queries. So it's gonna protect your application, because here this model gonna have a lot of knowledge. It should know like what are the possible things that gonna ask by the bad actors, and it gonna send a generic response like, sorry, I can't answer this, it's not under policy. So it's for that reason this safeguard, the guardrail, is pretty important whenever you're building a solution using Amazon Bedrock. Beside this, we have other features of Amazon Bedrock like inference, assessment, and Bedrock configuration. So today I just gave you a simple idea like what is Amazon Bedrock and how we can use it to create Gen AI applications. If you want me to cover it in very detailed way, please let me know under the comment section. I'm gonna create a video focusing on Amazon Bedrock only. The second AWS AI service that we must need to know in 2024 is Amazon SageMaker. This is a game-changing service. So it helps to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at a scale within few hours. In my previous job role, I used to use this particular service quite a lot. I was working in the healthcare industry, and the use case was something like that. In today's world, in operation theater room, we are using a lot of IoT devices. From those IoT devices, there are a lot of real-time data that we're getting. We were using those real-time data to train a model to make sure the operation would be much more secure than before. So it was using ML to improve the whole operation procedure. So it's game changing. So this is just one scenario. If we think about other sectors, this AI, the machine learning thing, gonna impact quite a lot in today's world. So how it works, let's try to understand the whole step-by-step process. So at the very first level, what we need to do, we need to get our data and we need to label our data, and this SageMaker is going to help us to label our data accordingly that we can use to train our models. Then there comes a build phase. Under build phase, we can create our own SageMaker notebooks, and we can choose our foundation models to train our notebooks quite well, our models quite well. Then we can train our models, we can tune it, we can make changes, then we can deploy it, and we can always try to improve our model so that it will be much more accurate than before. There are many subsections of SageMaker. SageMaker is quite a huge service. Here we have application and IDEs, we have admin configurations, we have Jumpstart, we have some other product like inference and augmented AI, which are pretty popular in AI field. So again, this is more of an overview. It's not a detailed video. If you want me to cover AWS SageMaker in detailed way, please let me know in this comment section, and I'm gonna create a video for you. The third AWS AI service that we must need to know in 2024 is Amazon Lex. Amazon Lex is a wonderful service. So from here we can create chatbots, and when we are talking about chatbots, this chatbot would be a very powerful chatbots. I can give you an example. Suppose you want to create a chatbot that will help you to do the booking or the appointment. So when a person gonna visit your website, there will be a chatbot. It's gonna ask some questions, and it's gonna have some prompt to reply. So the person want to book a appointment for a certain period. When the person provides us information at the back end, we can use Amazon Lex and integrate some other services like Amazon ACS to send them an email, Amazon Lambda to book some appointments, or Amazon DynamoDB or RDS to store those information in the database, so there will be proper data and everything will be automated. So this is a game changer in chatbot industry. So if you know how to configure properly Amazon Lex chatbots, you can do quite a magic using these bots. So here you have it. Now you know top 3 AWS AI services that we must need to know in 2024. Remember, the IT industry is always evolving. New and new services or new and new features are coming up every now and then. And if we don't learn this new thing, then it's very hard to be relevant in IT field. So right now, AI is the biggest thing, and if you start your learning in AI field, I'm pretty sure there are a lot of job opportunities, a lot of promotions waiting for you. So if you guys have any questions related to these 3 services that I talked about today, please let me know under this comment section, and I'm gonna reply in a very short bit of time. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Our community is growing quite fast. More and more IT enthusiast people are joining our community. The whole motivation behind this channel is to create a community where everybody gonna help each other to become a better IT professional. If you want me to cover any specific topic or anything related to IT, or you want me to suggest you anything related to IT career, please let me know in this comment section, and I'm gonna do that for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. That's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.